Okay, in this video you're going to see a very simple process of restoring your headlights using 4 or 5 different grits from P500, P800, P1000, P2000 and P3000 by using water to rub down and clean the headlights and etch them up for lacquering. The next steps is to use masking tape and brown paper to mask up the headlights. Once the area is clean and dry, we're going to use a polycarbonate clear primer to prepare the headlights for lacquering after this step. You just need to apply one simple light dust coat and allow it to dry for roughly 10 minutes. Right, here I'm going to be using an Iwata LBH80 spray gun with 1.2 tip, and I'm applying just one nice 75% single coat, and then I'm going to wait around 4 to 5 minutes and apply a wet coat over the top, and that's it, done. It's that simple. As you can see, I'm going to go nice and steady with the gun. This is a low pressure, high volume gun, so there's no need to apply loads of pressure. It reduces a lot of overspray, and I definitely recommend as an investment getting one of these guns. Where you can buy one of these guns is on a site I've used called Paint Gear. So on Google you can pop on Paint Gear and get yourself one of these lovely guns. And that's it in this video. If you've got any questions, just leave them in the comments and I'll answer them.